and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome to all the new subscribers. If you guys haven't clicked the notifications button, please do, and subscribe if you're not already. It doesn't cost you anything and is a massive help to me. As you can see, I am cleaning the primer and grime and stuff off of the rear quarter panel for the floor. I want to try and capitalize on where I've got to last week, and perhaps once I've picked off the rest of the floor, I might be able to mock up what these might look like with some clamps on the bottom of the car and get a first glimpse of what the floor might turn out like. Anyway, I thought I'd just do this one the hard way here in my workshop, and then when we're back at the surgery, I will get the other side and we will use the pneumatic tools, which will probably take 2 seconds and will be a lot quicker than what I'm doing right now. But anyway, buckle in and here we go.
There's going to be a lot of voiceover in this episode. It was really noisy in the back part of the workshop. Heaps of projects getting along, heaps of the workers kind of doing their thing and just making magic happen, really. Anyway, long story short, I'm working my way towards picking off the rest of the spot welds along the tunnel and along the kind of the channel where the footwell and the cabin stops, but sort of between the sill where the heater pipes are. I need to sort of work my way towards the seam welds running along the bottom of the sill there so that I can start picking those off and we can work towards setting the floor up. That was Chris, the main kind of shop foreman for the metalwork part of the business, and he's been really kind in helping me, kind of giving me some tips. So yeah, we're just working our way through that, and it's going to be a lot of time lapse and kind of sparks flying, and I learned a lot, so when I go back later this week and put in a couple of days, there should be a lot more progress happening rather than what we're going to see here. So yeah, here we go. I had to come back over what I'd done here with the grinder and go deeper to kind of reveal where the spot welds were so that I could get in with the cold chisel and sort of bust it wide open a bit easier. And here's a look at what we've been up to at normal playback. There's a lot of media inside the sills from where Sean from Soda and Sand did his thing earlier. If you haven't seen that, go back and check out the earlier episodes where Sean and his team blasted the whole shell for us. Coming back to doing this later this week, I am going to start by picking from that inner seam welds that are sort of more central to the car and sort of peel them up towards the sill. I sort of did it back to front, but yeah, with Chris's help and everybody else, Killian, they've all been awesome. So yeah, really looking forward to getting my teeth into this. It was a bit of a short episode this week. I didn't really get a chance to get much done. I've been busy doing things like fixing my phone, which I'm doing all the recording and editing on this YouTube channel on. So yeah, I needed to get that sorted. So short Friday, made some kind of little bit of headway, learned a lot. So yeah, coming back next week, we should be able to get a long way further, get some of this rest of this off and get the floors fitted up for a test fit. So yeah, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and there's plenty to check out in the older episodes. Cheers.